Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of a different video. We're going to be doing a Shop Miss A haul. I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I picked up from Shop Miss A, and if you're not sure what Shop Miss A is, it's essentially like an online dollar store basically. Pretty much everything is $1. Some things are $1.55, some things are $1.88, but majority of everything is $1. It's super cheap, and they carry like beauty stuff, they carry hair accessories, jewelry, stationery products. They also have like little gadgets for your house. They have like bathroom stuff, kitchen stuff, just like little random pieces of decor. I had a ball just browsing through the website. They have so much on there, and I honestly cannot get over how cheap it is. So I'm so excited to show you guys everything that I picked up. I think I got around 24, 25 items, and with shipping my order came to about $40, something around that, and the shipping took about a week and a half, so not bad at all. I'm super impressed with that. And here's the package right here. I'm so excited to dive in, and let's just get into the haul. So I'm not going to go in any kind of order. I'm just going to pick from the bag and show you guys what I have. So the first thing that I picked up is actually a foundation. So this is the AOA Studio Buildable Satin Foundation. I got mine in the shade 304 Sand. What I'm going to do is pop the price of each item up on the screen just because I can't remember right off the top of my head, but I've heard actually quite a bit about this foundation. People say it's really good, so I'm excited to give this a go and see what it's like. Also, you guys, I am thinking about doing like a full face of Shop Miss A makeup, just testing everything out, so if you'd be interested in seeing that, let me know. This is what the foundation looks like right here. So it is a little dropper bottle, and to be honest, it does look like it's going to be a pretty good match. I'm hoping so anyways. Hopefully it doesn't oxidize, but it's always so hard to find your perfect shade match online. It's like the hardest thing ever. So crossing my fingers that this one matches me, but I think the bottle is just so cute. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this one. I'll tell you right now, I picked up a lot of lip products just because I think lippies are probably my favorite makeup item. I don't know why, I just love them. But this is the AOA Studio Bombshell Lip Balm, and this is the shimmery balm outside and color on the inside. This looks so pretty online, you guys. I'm so excited about this. I got mine in the shade Kitten. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh my goodness, I love the packaging on this. So that is what it looks like right there. That looks so pretty, and it's so soft. I bet this is gonna be so comfortable on the lips. Hopefully you guys can see there, but what a pretty shade. I love that. It's honestly such a pretty like berry shade. I think it's gonna look so nice on the lips. They did also have two other shades in this product as well. And once I try this, and if I end up liking it, I probably will go back and pick those up too. I just realized I should have got a makeup wipe before I sat down because I'm gonna have swatches all over me, so I'll be right back. So the next thing I picked up is this little microfiber washcloth right here. This again is from the AOA Studio brand, and it says right here this was $1. I do have a few things like this already, but they're kind of like cotton round style, so they are like the microfiber reusable washcloths, but they're super small, and I just wanted something a little bit bigger that could kind of tackle my whole face at once. Hello? How do you, oh, right at the top there. Ooh, it feels really soft. Okay, so I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger than that, I'm not gonna lie, but honestly, that's a pretty good size. I'm happy with it. And oh my goodness, you guys, it's so soft. I can't stop touching it. This is gonna be perfect to take your makeup off with. I'm really looking forward to using this. Next, what do we have here? So this is the AOA Studio Glow Baby Highlighter. Ooh, I'm excited about this one, you guys. I love a good highlight, so can't wait to use this. So this one was $1.55, and I'm pretty sure, I'm like 99% sure that anything that's not $1, they donate the rest to charity, I believe. So that's awesome. This is what the product looks like up close here. So it is a liquid highlight. So definitely like a little teeny tiny bottle, but I think it's so adorable. So I got mine in the shade Morning Glow, and it's kind of like a rose gold color. So let's go ahead and swatch this. Oh, I think that's gonna be such a nice shade. So I don't know how well you're gonna be able to tell, but it is on the back of my hand there, and it just gives off a really nice glow. I think that's gonna look beautiful like on the collarbones or shoulders or something like that. Liquid highlight is one of my favorite products to use, especially in the summertime. I just love to highlight this area right here. I think it looks gorgeous, especially when the sun hits it. It's like chef's kiss amazing, but I'm sure you could also use this on your face as well. Now the thing I find with liquid highlights, sometimes when you do apply it to the face, I find it can also remove the makeup underneath that, so hopefully that is not the case for this. Okay, so next, I believe this is actually the only accessory that I picked up. I think so anyways. So I got these little gold hoops. You guys know I'm a sucker for gold hoops or earrings in general, and these are stunning, you guys. Just look at these, you guys. How gorgeous are they? Don't you guys hate when there's like a hair somewhere and it's like attached to your lip gloss and you can't Oh, I found it. I found it. I think these are going to be like the perfect little kind of daily gold tooth for me. And I love the texture on these. I like how they're not just a basic, you know, plain gold hoop. I love how they have some texture in there. I think they look so nice and they were so cheap. I love it. One thing for sure, you guys, I'm definitely going back and getting some more of their jewelry. All right, these are kind of random, but I had to pick them up. I just thought they were the neatest thing ever. So like I said, shopmissa, they don't just sell, you know, makeup and accessories. They also sell home gadgets and decor and stuff like that. So I picked up some tongs and these are not just your typical tong, you guys. These are little oven mitt tongs. I don't know why, but I thought that was the cutest thing ever. And to be honest with you guys, these match my oven mitts perfectly, so I had to get them. Like, tell me these are not the cutest things you've ever seen. Come on now. And honestly, they seem like really good quality as well. So you just open them up like that, and then of course pull them back like that and they're closed. But I'm excited to use these. I just thought they were too cute not to get, and super cheap as well. I needed a new mascara so badly, so I went ahead and picked this one up right here. This is the AOA Studio Fat Lash, and of course I got mine in the shade black. So let's see, what kind of wand does this have? Okay, so it's kind of like your typical basic rubber wand. That should be good. So that is what the wand looks like up close there. Let me know if you guys are the same way, but I love trying new mascaras out. It's like mascara and lips are two of my favorite things to try and test out, just because I feel like I haven't found like my favorite like go-to mascara yet. I have ones that I really like, but nothing that, you know, is amazing, and nothing that I'm like, oh my gosh, my lashes are crazy long. So hopefully this does a good job. We'll see. They had so many mascaras to choose from. So next I picked up a finishing powder. This is a translucent powder, but the reason why I wanted this one is because it is a pressed powder. So nothing really special. That's what it looks like there. I wanted something like this that I could use all over the face to set any like oiliness, or just, you know, to set my makeup but not change the color of my makeup, because I do have a face powder right now, but I find it's a little bit too dark for my liking. So I just wanted something translucent. All right, so next we have another lipstick. So this is a soft matte lipstick, and it's in this really pretty kind of like ruby red shade. Oh my goodness, that looks so pretty. First little swatch there, it does seem a little bit tacky, like it's not super smooth. Actually, the more you keep going, it's not bad at all. But that's what the color looks like. That is so nice. To be honest, the pigment on this is actually nicer than some of my like high-end lipsticks, so I'm pretty impressed with this so far. I've been really liking red lipsticks lately. Sometimes I even like them just kind of dab out on my lips so they're not super red, but it just gives that flush of color. And just judging from the swatch, I know swatches on the hand are not always what it's gonna be like on the face, but I'm excited for this. So next I picked up a new bronzer. This is their Smooth Definition Pressed Powder in the shade Honey. Let's go ahead and take this out. I'm really excited about this powder. I'm gonna try to cover the mirror so I don't blind you guys, but this is what it looks like up close there. I love the print on that, the little flowers. How cute is that? All right, I don't know about this one, to be honest. It is a bronzer, so I feel like sometimes you won't really know until it's on your face and not really a swatch, but just judging by the swatch, I don't even know if you guys can see that on camera, but the swatch is right there. I don't know, it just seems very powdery and a little bit streaky. Honestly, I feel for beauty gurus that do swatches all the time, because I hate having makeup on my hands. Okay, next, yet again, we have another lippy. This is the Wonder Matte Lipstick by AOA Studio, and again, in a gorgeous red color. So this is in the shade Scandal, and that is what it looks like up close there. Let's go ahead and swatch this. This is probably gonna be really hard to get off since it is a matte lipstick, but ooh, that color looks beautiful. So it's not completely dry yet, but this color, you guys, is insane. Look at that. Oh my god, that looks amazing. Just wanted to point out, I tried to wipe this off, went in with water, and it is not coming off. So this is definitely long lasting. This is definitely one of those things that you're gonna have to use actual makeup remover for, like micellar water or something like that, because it's not coming off. Ooh, okay, next I had to try this because I've heard so many good things about it. This is the AOA Studio Wonder Blender High Definition Makeup Sponge. I've heard literally nothing but good things about this sponge, so super excited to try this out. It is also latex free, and I did get mine in black. But right off the jump, it actually feels pretty nice. It's nice and like soft and spongy. Obviously right now mine is just dry, but you can go ahead and wet these and it will, you know, get a little bit bigger. But yeah, just your typical sponge, but super excited to try this. Okay, next, I'm so excited about this. I feel like I said I'm so excited about everything, but this one, very excited about. So this is the AOA Hold My Brow Clear Long Wear Brow Soap. I can't wait to try this. So when I do my soap brows, I use like literal soap. I use the Pears brand, but I've never tried a soap brow like actually designed for makeup. So I'm really curious to see how this is going to perform. And that's what it looks like. It's just in a little tin. And then you open it up and it's just like basically like a clear, it really reminds me of the Brow Freeze. That's what it looks like. And it just feels like soap, honestly, nothing crazy. All right, so next I just picked up a lip gloss. This is from the brand LA Colors. So they do sell brands like that on their website as well. And I got mine in the shade Jam and Jelly. This looks so pretty, you guys. So this is what it looks like up close here. It does say that it is sheer, so it's probably not gonna come off this color. Let's go ahead and swatch this. Oh, I love the applicator on that. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to tell or not, but it is like a felt applicator. I love that. Actually, the color payoff's not too bad for being sheer. This is pretty good. Excuse the swatch filled hands, but it's right in the corner here, so it's actually a pretty decent color. There's rarely ever a day when I do my makeup that I don't do lip gloss. I'm not really like a total matte lip kind of gal. I prefer a gloss, and I think this is gonna look so nice with just like a basic lip liner and then this on top. I think that's gonna look so good. I actually forgot that I picked these up, so I did get a hair accessory. I think this is the only one that I got. So these are just some claw clips. Honestly, I thought they were gonna be a little bit bigger than this. These will definitely not hold all of my hair back, but for like a half up, half down, these should work. But they're so pretty, you guys. I love how they are kind of like on the neutral side. This top one right here, for some reason, is like really calling my name. I think this is probably my favorite of the bunch. But yeah, imagine this in like a little half up, half down moment. Oh my goodness, you guys, I was so happy when I saw this on the website. So this is the AOA Studio Coconut Lip Mask. I love a good lip mask. I'm telling you right now, if you haven't tried a lip mask, please go try one. But I ran out of mine. I haven't had a lip mask for quite some time now, and I've honestly been dying on the inside. It's honestly a part of my nightly ritual now. Like if I go to bed without having my lip mask on, it's not okay. So cannot wait to use this. And coconut, I think that's gonna be so good. And also this packaging is just so cute. For a lip mask, you guys, I think this is a really great size. I can't wait to smell this. Oh, it smells so good, just like coconut. And that is the swatch right there. So super, super moisturizing. Oh, I also forgot to pick these up as well. So these are invisible acne patches. They are tea tree and cica. C-I-C-A. It says absorbs impurities and protects. So you get 15 patches in here, and they're basically just like an invisible little patch you put on a pimple. Next morning it should be like either gone or significantly gone. You know what I mean. Surprisingly, I have actually never tried a pimple patch before. I use like a spot treatment. So when I saw this on the website, I was like, I gotta pick those up just to give it a go, because I always hear people talking about how good they are. Definitely going to be using one of these bad boys tonight for sure. All right, next we have another little lippy. This is the Special Day Lip Crayon from AOA Studio, and this is in the shade. So I'm not seeing a shade name anywhere, but I will go ahead and pop it up on the screen. I love a good lip crayon, you guys. I think they're honestly one of the best things ever. And again, I got this in like a really pretty kind of like red berry shade. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Oh my God, that is so soft. Wow. That genuinely feels like butter. Honestly, you guys, I cannot get over how good these lip products are. Like, these are great. And they also had like a bunch of different shades in the lip crayon as well. The reason why I got a lot of like deeper kind of red berry shades is because I feel like sometimes online, especially when you're going for a more like neutral nude, sometimes you can end up going a little bit too nude, or it's not what it looks like on the website. And I feel like when it comes to a darker shade like this, it's a little bit more safer to buy, because even if it is a little bit too dark for your liking, you can go ahead and kind of sheer it out. But yeah, so far in love with this. It's genuinely one of the softest products. Yeah. So I did go ahead and pick up a few blushes. I'm just going to show these at the same time. So these are from the brand, again, AOA Studio, and these are the Perfect Blush. Honestly, at first glance, they kind of look exactly the same shade, but one is a little bit brighter than the other. So this one here is in the shade Euphoria. It's a little bit lighter. And then this one is Frenzy, and it's just a little bit brighter, and it's also darker as well. But both of these shades look beautiful, you guys. I'll show you guys up close what the packaging looks like. So they're a decent sized blush. I don't think they're, you know, necessarily too small. So this one right here is Euphoria, and then this one right here is Frenzy. So far, just judging from the swatch, the formula on these does seem pretty nice. They're not overly powdery or anything like that, so that's awesome. I am very, very excited about these because I love blush, and I've been really into kind of like the pinky tones lately. All right, so next I just picked up a basic little like lip plumping clear gloss. I love me a clear gloss. Who doesn't? Like, a basic clear gloss, you know what I mean? But this is what the packaging looks like right here. I also love lip plumping products. I know some people don't because they don't like that like burning sensation, but I kind of do for some reason. So I'm excited to see how much this actually plumps. Next, I just picked up a liquid liner. This is one of those like little marker felt tip ones. I have been dying to get my hands on one of these again for such a long time. When I ran out of my last liquid liner, I just went ahead and grabbed one and it wasn't a marker. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna try it out. And I've been using it, but I don't like them as much. I feel like the marker is so much easier, it goes on better, and I feel like these are better. So I am so glad I finally have it back again. So this is by the brand, again, AOA Studio. This is the Artista eyeliner pen in the shade black. And this looks like it's gonna be really, really nice. I love how fine the tip is on that. It doesn't seem like it's super dark, but that's okay. Next, I picked up the AOA Studio Perfect BB Cream. This is the Skin Perfecting Color Correcting one. And I got mine in the shade medium. That is what it looks like right there. I feel like as the video goes on, my swatches are just getting so bad, but that's what it looks like right there. So the color doesn't seem too bad. It might be a little bit too like yellowy undertone, but we'll work with it. They also did have a tinted moisturizer on their website as well, but I just decided to pick this one up for now, but I have heard great things about that one too, so I may go back and get that one. All right, so I only have 2 items left to show you guys, but the next thing is a cream blush. I don't wear cream blush too often, to be honest with you, but I kind of want to get into it a little bit more. I find it so hard with cream products sometimes. Like I said earlier, I find sometimes they can kind of take off your makeup underneath, but hopefully this one's good, we'll see. So this is from the brand AOA Studio and it's in the shade Charm. This does say that it's a sheer blush, so I wanted to get it kind of in a brighter, darker color, just in case it was, you know, really, really sheer. So this is the shade that I got it in. At first sight, it's like, okay, that literally looks insanely vibrant, but we'll see in the swatch. Ooh, okay. This may not be sheer. Okay, so once you start blending this out, it definitely does get a little bit more sheer. That's what the color looks like right there. So it's kind of like an orangey coral shade. This shade is definitely different for me. I typically go for like a pink blush, but I think this is gonna look gorgeous in the summertime with a nice tan. All right, you guys, and last but not least, I picked up some fake lashes. These are the AOA Studio 3D Foam Ink Premium Natural Lashes in the style Jean. I just thought these look gorgeous. They're definitely like a me style lash. I love that kind of like flare out cat eye style, and they're also like a little bit wispy as well. I was honestly kind of overwhelmed by how many lashes they actually had. They have a bunch of different styles. They have natural, dramatic, so there's a ton to pick from, that's for sure. But I think I will end up liking these. They do look like a style that I typically go for. I always cut my fake lashes anyways, so they're definitely gonna be a little bit less dramatic when I do cut them. But yeah, really, really excited to actually try these out, and I definitely want to go back and get some more styles. All right, you guys, so that was everything in my Shop Miss A haul. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see me trying this makeup out, a full face of it. Also, let me know if you want to see some more Shop Miss A hauls, because I'm definitely going to be doing some more damage on that website, that's for sure. Also, go ahead and let me know, have you ever ordered from Shop Miss A? What was your experience like? But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe, because I would really appreciate that. Also, if you want to go ahead and keep up with me outside of YouTube, I do have Instagram and TikTok, and I'll go ahead and link those down below. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.